Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Easy Mastery. Today, we're learning VLOOKUP to master data lookups. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, please give this video a quick like. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button to join our Excel Easy Mastery community. As you can see on screen, our table has serial number, ID, name, designation, and tenure in columns A to E. In this tutorial, we'll use VLOOKUP to look up for data that are towards the right side of the lookup value in the table. VLOOKUP searches a column for a value and pulls data from another column located in the same row with the syntax: =, VLOOKUP, open bracket, lookup value, comma, table array, comma, column index number, comma, then false or 0 for exact matches, then close the bracket. Sounds overwhelming? Do not worry. I'll guide you through with an example. To practice the function, let's use 6 random IDs in cells G3 to G8. Now, to display the name in H3, as per the ID in G3, type in H3, =VLOOKUP, start the bracket, select G3 as the lookup value, then add a comma, then select columns B to E as the table array, then add a comma. Now, since we're looking for the name, which is in the second column of our selected table array, we'll use 2 as the column index number, add a comma, then 0 for exact match, and then close the bracket. Next, copy H3 down to H8, and names will appear for all IDs. Now, let's try getting the designation as well. Go to cell I3. Then type in =, then VLOOKUP. Start your bracket, then select cell G3 containing the ID as your lookup value. Then add another comma, then select B to E as the table array, followed by another comma. After that, since designation is the third column in the selected table array, we'll type 3 for the column index number. Then, add another comma, and then 0 for exact match. Next, close the VLOOKUP function with a bracket. Now, drag I3 all the way to I8 to copy the same formula to those cells. Let's also try changing an ID to see it update accordingly. This is pretty much how VLOOKUP works. However, please note that VLOOKUP can only look towards the right of the lookup column, so it can't find data to the left, like IDs from names. But, don't worry about it. We'll soon cover that in another tutorial. In the meantime, continue to try VLOOKUP in your own datasets to master it. Thanks for watching Excel Easy Mastery. Like, share, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to see next. Keep rocking and see you soon.